have the camera on, but I got a little bass. I'm just gonna have to gently toss him because it's shallow. Well, y'all, I'm gonna have a fish on video. I guess. Sorry, buddy. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Well, I can't find my line. There it is. Well, y'all, that's my second rig. My second Texas rig bass. Show everybody your colors. It's pretty. Ow. I don't know what color this is, but it's pink and black. Man, dude. There we go. Okay. Alright, guys, we're gonna let him go. We'll let the little bass go. I'm guessing he's like 1.5 maybe. Is it? Go ahead, buddy. Oh, dude. Thank you. Getting a nibble, y'all. I think this is a big one. I think this is a big one. About to nut up. About to nut up. Is this a big one? No, it's not a big one. Just kidding. I haven't caught a fish in so long, I don't know what it feels like anymore. The non-fish catcher is no more. Honey. If I can get the fish off. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know what I'm doing. If it would go sideways, it would come out. There we go. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm going to let Jeffrey go. He's a squeaker. Look at Jeffrey. Oh my goodness. Are you lost? Did you get it? Okay. Oh, now my Senko's in a tree. Okay. Well. How did I manage that? Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, guys, that's 3 on the Texas rig Senko. Woo!